The end is near. Maserati has officially announced the end of production of their V8 engines. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where if you're a Maserati fan or have been following this channel for a while, you probably know for the past year we've been talking about the end of the V8 engine, but now Maserati has said it themselves. Finally, they're announcing that the end of an era is coming to a close by the end of this year, and we're going to get some special editions to come out of this. Now, what you're looking at are the Ghibli, Quattroporte, and Levante being added to the Gran Turismo Zeta, which is not a special edition that we're talking about today. These are going to stay at the Maserati factory. And this is a special livery when Maserati does away with current generation models that they have decided to paint and leave in the factory, like with the last generation Gran Turismo. I'll talk about the special edition Ultimas in just a second. Now, Maserati has been making V8 power cars since 1959 when the 5000 GT debuted, but that's about to end. The long-term agreement with the engine supplier Ferrari will be expiring this year, so the twin-turbo 3.8 liter engine is approaching the end of its life. So if you see any Trofeo models currently on the market, buy them up now because they are going to be a piece of history. And at the 5th generation edition of the Motor Valley Fest this week in Modena, the company with the Trident logo will celebrate the 572 horsepower engine before unveiling the last cars to get the 8-cylinder power in July. Now, premiering at the 2023 Goodwood Festival of Speed, the Ghibli 334 Ultima and the Levante V8 Ultima will be the final models to get the large displacement engine. Based on the range-topping Trofeo versions, the dynamic dual will serve as an epilogue to over 100,000 cars that have been assembled with a V8 engine in the last 64 years. Now, Maserati says that the Levante, Ghibli, and Quattroporte in their Trofeo specifications will go out of production beginning late this year, 2023, but will remain on sale in 2024. And the Italian brand already has an indirect replacement in the Nettuno engine. As we know, the twin-turbo V6 engine fully developed in-house in Maserati's factories in Modena. Now, that 3-liter is found in the mid-engine MC20, MC20 Cielo convertible. Also, you have it in the Grecale and the new Gran Turismo. Now, the most potent ICE car on the track is obviously that MC20 GT2 with an output surpassing 621 horsepower and 538 pound-feet, 730 newton-meters of torque found in the road-going model. But Maserati said it will keep the Nettuno engine all to itself, while Ferrari said its V6 is used in the 296 GTB and GTS is completely unrelated. Now, Maserati says that they are passing the torch to EVs. And we all knew this was coming. I know when you hear it, it's just talk. But Maserati said themselves, this is it. They're getting rid of the V8s. We do have ICE V6s, but in the future, it's going to be fully electric by 2030. So if this isn't enough indication that you guys need to get yourselves a V8 Maserati, if not an ICE powered Maserati V6, well, there it is. So with that said, guys, finally hear it from the horse's mouth or the Trident's mouth. Let me know what you guys think about the end of the V8 engines for Maserati, and what do you guys think about the Ultima editions coming up? We'll see those hopefully pretty soon. What do you expect from those models? What do you want to see from those models and those special liveries? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the end and the retirement of Maseratis with V8 engines. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that extra love, guys. As always, helps keep the channel going. And make sure you guys check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.